Please so much for peep. Now I'm back with a new video. New day, new video. I'm gonna compare this Fidget spinner versus rubix cube. I reviewed them. Very clean, very nice video. I got just only 6 subscribers. Oh, it's okay, but still have subscribers. So I'm just gonna open Rubik's cube in the. There is one loose part is still okay. And the bearing is broken. That is super duper completely broken. There is. For now, this thing. Quick shout out to this brand. This brand is Gyro Fidget Spinners. And this one, the Rubik's Cube. There you go. Look, is Shin Cube. So, there's the cube. Spin it. So there it is. I just slipped. There it is, guys. The winner is Fidget Spinner. Fidget Spinner is great. You focus on one thing. So, this video will end in 3, 2, 1.